Good afternoon, this is Kyle and Wade with Western Material Handling. Today we're here test driving stock number D20925. This is a very nice 2013 Nissan, model number MCP1FSA25LS. It's a 5,000 pound cushion tire forklift. It's equipped with the desirable 187-inch triple stage mast, side shift carriage, 42-inch pallet forks. Wade's gonna run it up for us real fast. Has excellent treaded cushion tires, smooth running Nissan 4-cylinder LP gas engine, has a new ECM with recent work, automatic transmission, new PM service, and a brand new paint job. You can check out this forklift online at betterforklift.com or at either store in Denver or Fort Collins. Thank you very much for watching.